best price per square foot in one of Athens' most centrally located gated communities. Nestled at the end of a cul-de-sac, you will love the privacy and serenity of 138 Mallard Pointe Way. Walk into this one-level gym and the open floor plan greets you with plenty of space for friends and family. The key to this lovely standalone house is the huge sunroom in the back with enough space for comfortable furniture and even a dining area to boot. This room is where you will enjoy wonderful natural light with wall-to-wall windows and even 2 new skylights to make it a true dream space. Woodlake is an established neighborhood with a pool, waddling ducks, and neighbors who will greet you like family. Less than 10 minutes to the University of Georgia and less than 5 minutes to all the shopping you could ever want. 138 Mallard Pointe is the total package. All exterior maintenance of your home and lawn are taken care of by your homeowners association dues. Come see for yourself before someone else calls this place home.